welcome back to my YouTube channel. So again, it's a wonderful day. So today I'm be speaking about a bit interesting. Okay, I know all my videos are interesting, but this is a quite a different because in life I had situations like where we get underestimated, especially when it comes to girls. Okay, so I was just googling the videos. The topic of the video is like what makes you a girl. So it doesn't based on how people categorize you. And for making this video I went on googling and I found some some videos that didn't make sense. Like it was a kind of video which discriminate a girl, like desi girl versus modern girl. So in that video I have seen things like like putting all the modern girls like they're bad, so they always dress up to attract men, and they have no, they don't have that capacity to sit quiet at home. They always keep flying over the places, and for them enjoying is considered as something which a woman shouldn't do. But whereas desi girl is being said in that video like she's good, and she is the one who deserves everything, and that is what women are called as. Seriously, I came to this conclusion about making this video because whatever videos I make is based on my experience, my personal experience, and that was when I had a chance to shift my home from the urban part of Bangalore to the rural part of Bangalore, and that's when I saw the differentiation of girls going on in this scenario. Okay, this is nothing, okay guys, it's people's view. Okay, in their minds it's like, okay, girls are like this, but that's not true. Okay, it's how people, the background where they are brought up, or their mother were like that, their daughters are like that, or their grannies, their forefathers or the older generation are like that, and that is how they feel. It's a kind of irritation which every people feels. Like you might have experienced this if you go to the rural parts of anywhere, not only Bangalore, in any places. Like they keep looking at you in a weird way. In a way that they keep staring at you in a way that you will feel a kind of irritation. You feel so uncomfortable, and yeah, I know most of you girls have faced this, and we also have come through so many things when people tell you like, why don't you keep some flowers on your hair, why don't you keep some bindi, for what? Okay, fine, I know it's a culture, but still, how can you even tell a girl, how can you tell a random girl to do all these things? Now I'm not complaining, okay, it's just I'm telling it because see, nothing matters until and unless if other person's existence affects you. So in that way, like if you start discriminating like this, okay, the thing is what is getting affected is our sometimes career, of course, and sometimes our lives, sometimes, or maybe there are so many other irregularities things happening in the lives. So that's why I'm telling all. And I came to know still better after I shifted my home towards the towards the rural part of Bangalore. So that will be when there'll be somewhat different environment there, and yeah, the thing is like the nature is good, the people are good, yeah, but then you need to face things like this also, because everything turns quite different, and that will be when the time when I realized was I had to approach one of my neighbor to tell her that send your daughters to the school. That was when she was ignoring me all the time, and I put force on her, like, why don't you send her to the school? Like, as soon as they cross the puberty, these girls are made to sit at home, and I don't know why. Okay, and after, like, she got pissed and she was like, okay fine, I'll send her to the school if she goes out of my hand, and that's your responsibility. I still didn't know why she said me that. After that, after researching so much, and I was that kind who wanted to know about some particular thing still more. So that's why I approached one random teacher of that place, and then she told me like, most of the parents over here, they doesn't want their girls to send them to school as soon as they turn puberty. So I was like, why? And I heard such thing like, as soon as they turn puberty, these girls are given a class in their school which is called sex education, and the most of the incidents happened was after the day one class of sex education, these girls run away with some random guys. Yeah, seriously, this is what actually happens. Okay, and then when you try telling them, okay, why don't you send them to still southern side of Bangalore, because you have good colleges there. You tell the parents, is going to be like, okay, fine, we'll send them, but there's no guarantee for their life. Okay, they find some random guy over there, run away. Are you responsible for this? This is what the answers I get. And one more thing I can't leave is that I face racism only because of those rural kind of areas. When you go, people can't digest things. People can't digest irregular things, because they see, there are times when people discriminate them, telling that they're well frogs. It means people who haven't seen the world yet. But you can't tell them like that, because for at times, they understand you, they support you, they help you at times, like how other other people which I mean is like, I know they're very poor at their memory and whatever it is, but still they're gonna help you, they care you so much, and only irritation is gonna face is only this, so that's not a big deal. So what I'm trying to tell you through this video is, do not underestimate anyone, but still know the people. By the first time you go meet somebody, what you need to learn is like what will happen when it goes further, what will when the relationship goes further, when your friendship goes further. You deal with the things and then interact with people, understand them, and then act accordingly. Hope it was a good message for you all, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye.